Coaster, right?
What?
The roller coaster. You come?
I don't know. My mom, you have to. I'll try. That shit is peak, bro.
I went on it last time, bro.
What happened?
But it's not going forward.
Hmm.
It went backward.
I don't care, bro. I'll go every
No,
single one.
Trust me. It went backward. Full like this. We are 180 degrees. We are facing down, looking down. Then, bro, it will let go. It will go, bro. 2 loops, bro.
Damn.
And then, you're not done.
Huh.
You will go again up 180 degrees.
Ooh, it me excited, bro. I'm excited for the ship.
And then, they'll again drop you, bro.
Wow.
Then you will go in reverse.
I'm not try every single one, bro.
That shit is peak. Then there's a thing called tarantula, bro. I didn't get to do it last time.
Which one you did, bro?
Everything except for tarantula.
No, VIP one or like
VIP, fast package.
He'll wait inside. He'll go and he'll wait.
I'm telling you, bro, we are not gonna get. We won't be able to do 2 shekels.
But till 6 o'clock, I have time, bro.
What? You think by 6 o'clock we're coming back? It's 8 hours. We have food also there.
Adult one, ain't it, bro?
We all together. Appu, adult food, right?
Huh?
Adult food or child food?
Pardon?
Bro, I don't know if I can eat that much or not, bro.
Don't eat that because after eating we're going to.
Damn. Oh yeah, the land one, then.
Oh,
the
bro,
other.
we got to do the Ferris wheel, bro. The wheel.
Oh, okay.
It's on a tower.
I always want to do that shit, bro.
It's on a tower, bro. Then from the tower, it's over. Oh, that shit. The view is amazing.
I always want to ride that, you know.
Shravan is coming.
I guess, yeah.
Shravan is coming.
What?
Shravan. Is he coming? No.
Damn. Yeah, who are them?
I genuinely don't know.
I know like Gautam, Vishnu, Pujit, then
Prahan also.
yeah, Prahan. That's it, oh.
Yeah, only 7 people.
Damn.
Anush is not coming.
No. What? Harish is not coming. Obviously.
Yeah, let's go high up.
Hey, PCMC, I thought.
It was I think 82 when I got into the car.
Damn. Bro, how fast you are thinking to go, bro? I know, bro, today also like a little bit at by now.
You have power back. Now, all. Which side are they?
This side only. We can cross.
Oh yeah, good.
Again.
Good, good. See the coffee area.
Jew Asniga, bro. Look at this, bro. Hey,
Bro, Jew.
Zionist Asniga, look at this.
I didn't confirm that.
He's new, bro. IDF search.
Come here.
What? Better fish.
Bro, when someone says tell fast, I have to confirm and book ticket, does that mean they're confirmed? Tell fast, I need to book ticket.
Not that.
I have to book ticket if you tell me first. If they're confirmed or not.
Bro,
They're confirmed.
I was asking for myself. My dad is asking if
You only sent your ticket before in the WhatsApp group.
That's not mine.
What happened?
Hey, this nigga.
I
I
cancelled
told that
again.
uncle thing. Basically, what happened was he told me.
I cancelled again.
What
bro.
happened?
So you with proof.
I cancelled again, bro.
What did he cancel?
Nobody booked.
Your uncle is a
This guy
fraud.
told day after tomorrow we'll book. So I cancelled my ticket.
You mean day before yesterday?
I cancelled
You
it.
have a ticket now.
No.
He just started
I
packing.
cancelled it. Now I
Yeah.
bought it again.
Fraud, bro.
What is the problem?
He told my uncle.
You have to slide him. He's asking.
Giving him first.
No, we were saving you first.
No, you told him.
Lol.
Hey, Prahan just called me asking what I should pack to Wonder. Now we. Bro, how hard is it?
He'll be late, bro. He'll be
We
late.
are gonna reach at 12 o'clock or something, bro.
Relative, right?
No fun, bro. One night will be wasted.
1 hour in metro. From there, half an hour from metro. So by 11 o'clock. Come here. Come here. My uncle is trying to come. Till there, I told okay. Next. Tell fast because we have to book for uncle.
That means you
He
already
didn't
booked
tell
yours.
them, bro.
That means you already booked yours.
You were offline for 2 days when I told you.
My uncle took away my
You were
phone.
offline for 2 days. It's on gay if you know what can I do.
Uncle knew he wasn't coming. He knew he wasn't coming. I probably said it as a joke or something.
Like one mother.
Bro, you trust your uncle, bro. See, bro, my uncle is harami, bro.
Hey, what are you saying?
Hey, my uncle would come down.
Why isn't he
Oh
here?
yeah, I hope you know the lockers there aren't that safe.
No, it's safe. I went last.
Even I went last.
Hey, they're very safe, bro. You know. There's people-
Ah, that
everyone
band,
watch-
anybody can open it. Master band. Let me go down.
Majestic, if you reach, everyone will go up. That's all.
I know.
I'll call and tell her. She looks ugly probably.
Exactly why
Bro.
I can't even look at her.
I would not compliment my mom even if it kills me, bro.
Hey, I'm telling you that's fair. That means
I call my mom a hippopotamus in front of everyone, bro.
Ask
Lakshya.
Damn.
She's a victim.
I thought.
or he's trolling.
I said-
Whoa. You can't be calling people victim, bro. Especially with your track record, bro.
Oh, damn.
It's the admin files.
I didn't even know there was a files of my name, bro. Until yesterday. Until Subit told me yesterday.
Not yesterday, bro.
Like long ago.
Yeah.
Hey, that nigga contacted you.
Guess who made the file, bro?
Like, I want to apologize,
The
bro.
day he made only sent me.
Yes, bro. Everyone
He
has
sent me.
Why you didn't send me?
He sent me. Okay, I was like, if it's porn as well.
He actually told them.
I that day he sent me. Okay, I was like, I was early, bro. I do not tell this guy with files.
AI genetics.
The pioneer.
This nigga, he got his phone 1 hour ago, okay?
Why
thing-
a bomb ticket?
He got caught talking to a girl, bro. Not Roblox.
You know, bro, she was 18, bro. She was 18.
You are not 18.
Bro, she was a baddie, bro.
The girl fuck her dad. I made her send videos.
For real. Say, bro. Show me.
She's 20 at least, bro.
How? Which country? US, I know. US shit, bro.
Oh fuck.
No way you have that shit, bro.
I pray I have it.
I pray. Where is it? Say, bro.
She fucked her dad. You didn't see the text.
Show me, bro.
No.
Show me.
I'll show you later.
Private.
Vandalized private.
Hey,
Damn.
what's Zona Latina, bro?
Bro,
Hey, how much percentage?
70, bro. My dad is cooking me, bro.
What percentage?
Bro, Karthik B only got 81.
I asked you, like, limit.
Bro, greatest thing you did, bro. Greatest thing.
Let's go,
Ah.
for 81%.
What, bro?
You note you saw.
Nothing, bro.
Oh, that thing.
What? No. Nothing.
Oh my god, you should see the story.
Bro, it's about a daughter and a dad. I made a girl fuck her dad. Yes.
Open up Instagram.
That's the big thing, bro.
No.
Come here, that's a joke.
Pedophile is dating
I know
a boat.
that.
Hey, let me tell you what he just said right now.
Rinse it out and say it again, Victor. See, bro.
It's 20, bro.
It doesn't matter.
You know the country, bro. It's US. It's US for sure.
Also,
US, bro.
I know it.
Not us movement, bro.
It's like saying, right? The rainbows are multicolored, but the sky is fucking blue. Shut up.
Why? I'm confused. Some
Just
shit.
dumbass.
I'm confused. What do you?
It's alright. Is that a Pokemon card, bro?
Yes, it is.
Which one?
Lick it.
Oh, Salomons, go to choice actually. It's always on my starter team.
Who the fuck is that?
Salomons is good.
Fuck.
One of the elite four.
You are special grade laughter, bro.
The what do you call it? The elite 4-member Draco uses it on his team. Really good Pokemon. So
I'm the only nigga in the world who hasn't watched Pokemon.
No,
you haven't.
Pokemon. I play Pokemon games.
Yes. I never watched
I
Pokemon.
played every Pokemon game except the new ones thus far. So good.
Bro, you know what and all I did to convince my dad to let me come?
Pull up the book first.
Contract, bro. I made a fucking contract to let me come.
Look at the shot I sent you.
He booked first.
Look at the shot I sent you.
He saw my marks. Guess what? Bro,
Fuck no, you understand it, bro.
Guess what I'm-
not. Is this ChatGPT, bro?
obviously, bro. It's obvious. You think what is it?
What happens?
What is it?
Come.
He hates AI,
Check
bro.
it. Check it.
It is ChatGPT.
Just look at what I sent.
Okay.
This nigga, bro, wrote a full ass letter of apology.
Fran's phone is off.
Nigga is dead, bro. Yeah,
I
this-
know him personally.
At this point, leave him, bro.
At 8:37 he called me. What should I pack to one? We tell him come at 8:30.
Guess what? 5 o'clock I woke
That is
up,
coming
bro.
out of the house at 8:30, bro.
Hey, told you to say 7, da. I told you to say 7. No, this nigga, da. 1 hour music on this shit.
I literally told everyone by 8 we'll come. Jessica was like, no need.
We wanted to sleep.
I had to shift at 6:30, bro.
I slept at 9 o'clock
I
only.
sent, okay, it's like, you don't need to look at the video. The music of
I'm
the
inside
video
my
is
dad's
so
car at
random,
9
so
o'clock. At 9
random.
o'clock.
Damn.
Give me my headphones.
2 o'clock. I didn't sleep.
I did.
I'm thinking of what to say to let my dad come
Hear
here.
that, right, bro? Okay, give it to him for a second. Like, let him hear that.
What is the average time I was sleeping, bro? My sleep schedule went, bro, up and down. 6 o'clock I'll sleep, bro. 12 o'clock I'll wake up, bro. Lucky, bro. Why? My dad, if I'm sleeping past 10, fairy tale comes back. Damn. Nice. Kerala life, bro. Everything starts in morning. Mallu, bro. Mallu life. Average. Mallu baddie. Bro, Ritik went to Tamil Nadu and he told, I saw all the Tamil girls, I'll fuck them. I already told him. I told them, bro. Bro, keep your sister away from Ritik, bro. Hey,
I'm keeping her away from every single one.
bro, see, once I don't want her, bro. Bro, listen.
You nigga, you already have a track record.
Bro, except me because me and his sister are raised like Sukuna and Goja, bro.
These actually.
No, because
Oh, listen,
without
listen.
me,
That
low-key,
nigga, Ritik,
we are
when he went to
feeling
Tamil
like
Nadu,
that,
okay? He told every single Tamil girls I'm gonna fuck, bro.
Hey,
He told your sister away, bro.
I will.
Like, technically, she
Dumbo should lure
What
him
time
into
will
my
we get on next?
house and then slime him out.
Bro, you would attract Aprajit first.
Hey, come fast do something. Bro, just hey, because without you, I can't go inside.
It's already 9, bro.
I used to use them.
It's about to be 9, bro. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
by
5,
11 o'clock.
6. So less people, bro. So less people. No, I'm actually happy that I come here. Because I'm in depression right now.
Yeah,
Appu's mom is here, bro.
come this way.
I can't even see them, bro. Yeah. No. Okay, I saw.
I can't go into Wonderland. I took double ticket. have offer. I have booked double ticket. So if he's not there, I can't come in.
Oh.
You booked online tickets for the match? No, I didn't book. You have to book now.
Bro, just go by the stairs, bro. Real? Oh yeah, always. Bro, I know, bro. This trip, okay, 2 hours at least, bro. The video is gonna be 2 hours for sure.
A little bit of exercise. You know what I did morning?
What?
I was started doing push-ups.
Nice. I'll go to gym, bro. I'll go to gym. End of May, I'll go to gym.
End of May. My dad is already checking. Until after but my dad told me these marks are not going to guitar classes. He told if you don't make up for it, then you can. You want chai?
Chai and a whole thing. I'm not a old guy, bro. Come on.
I like chai, not coffee.
I like coffee, bro.
Coffee is good. Look at all these dads.
I'm not done.
Help us, bro. Help us, bro.
I can't.
Have a girlfriend.
Go. Say me what? How? When?
Roblox, no.
When?
IRL, my apartment girl, bro.
That girl.
The tall girl is on. Let me show you. Wait, let me show you. Is it here?
Who? Wanted person and all, bro. Huh?
Are you niggas coming?
Oh, yeah.
Look. Damn. Look. Oh, like this you did, bro. Okay, I get it.
Didn't go through that.
Bulls, bro. All are bulls.
I love bulls.
Ran, check in, bro. Check in and all. Property.
Yeah, get it covered.
Hold it, nigga. Oh my god.
Thank you, Dad. Where's everybody, bro?
They're coming.
Where's everybody?
Yo, don't say they went somewhere else, bro. They died. You should call them.
Call. You call. I can't waste my time. Call Appraja.
Oh yeah, they are doing this shit, bro.
What is this? Oh, you can't pay inside. Oh, you have to pay from here.
Damn, bro. Damn.
Oh, see that pay. Approve it. It's okay.
Who cares, leave it. Peaceful. So peace, bro. The same shit, bro. Same shit is there. That was how.
Everybody's home, bro. It's like a staple plant. Staple plant. We go there. Get photos. Background. Please.
Bro, this much crowded, bro. First of all, people are.
It's okay. I'll send it to my dad. He'll remote using AI. Go there.
Guess what?
What are these noodles?
1, 2. Puja, bro, puja. Damn.
Net is not there.
Oh,
Server is not working. Servers are down there.
it's not working. So here you have.
Online payment is not working. That station.
I have 500. You want? After her. I don't care, bro. This time we're not getting lost. I don't care. We already got lost, bro. How? Okay. Leave it. Leave it. If I'm thinking I didn't get lost. If we get lost, we are lost. But at least you have power bank this time. My charging cable is better. Yeah, I'm done with it, bro. I'm done. You have internet, right? Yeah. You have.
Come to the security check. Come to the security check. Go buy your ticket first. Go buy your ticket. We already bought our ticket.
First thing I opened the video came up.
Come this way. Come this way. No, Pran will book it.
We'll go there and
No,
wait.
we'll go inside
He's
and
booking
wait.
his ticket, it's fine. I mean, we haven't seen it.
You know that means
Follow then this will now I need a whole cup. Pongal and bro, hell no, bro.
Hey, bro, there's a public.
In front of the bus. I'm gonna play that shit. Whatever it is.
In line, is this called
Bro, you have been I thought of getting speaker, bro. Huh?
towards Chalalatta. From Kengeri From Kengeri, bus or cab both are there. Anything is fine. I gave your number to my mom. Mosquito. Mosquito. It's still 8 minutes. Next metro is late.
1 hour or more.
I will throw your phone into the platform right now with a 70 volts bullshit.
750
Volts into the guys. You get the point.
Coming on my teams up.
Thanks, bitch.
Charlie Kirk is better than him. Huh?
91.6.
What's him?
Yeah, he was exactly.
Obviously. Apparently the highest in our school is 99.
Who?
I don't know, I saw in previous, I don't know.
Veda. Not Veda, yeah. Veda was 96. How? What do you mean how? I thought he would get 99. I thought he would get more. Yeah, say it again.
Are you telling me it's going to be this bad?
Yeah.
No!
Until the halfway point, it'll be like.
You guys should have come through the Goody metro where I was coming from. There was like 5 dudes there, bro. Like 5 dudes. There were 2 dudes in the line, 5 dudes in the metro, bro.
Imagine we meet a gay guy here.
Huh?
What?
Bro, the metro
Imagine
is
we meet a gay fellow here, bro.
We'll become Ritik, bro. We'll run away.
Bro, the dude who does it, which will already made a tutorial on how to do it. How to like keep your legs arched like this and you're like. These are my old school. 490. Yeah. So for me, it's like a which one the comments of the series? Okay, till there, like the very first episode. Yeah, the drag episode. Yeah, bro.
Oh, you came from the north in front. Oh, hell no.
If you touch a girl, bro.
Huh?
It's you, bro. It's you. They'll put molestation case.
Sadhela, bro. Hell no.
This cake the Everyone is standing, sir. Are you doing water first or land?
Land.
Because again, you have to change the song. It's like 14 kilometers from here. Have to take bus.
The bus will be crowded. So she told she'll leak if he doesn't fight. Nice. Okay, come on.
What the hell, bro? What the hell?
You know why it's hard? We love you. Oh. Vishnu will pay 50.
Bro, Vishu, right? Got money.
Yeah,
Yeah, same here. I also got cash. I got only 500.
You know what I did? I gave it all to my mom.
You know this one thing in Vishu, okay? My other uncle was visiting. My grandparents were also there. The next day was Vishu, and everyone was older than me, bro. Every single person was older than me.
Actually.
Yeah, everyone is older. I'm the youngest person in my family.
So you got money from everyone?
Everyone gave me money. I got 500 rupees of money.
Prahan, come this side. Prahan. This guy retard.
It's a fraud side, bro.
Go middle, bro. Go mid.
Mid as What?
Look at this score. Look at this score.
Yes. Hey, now match is going on.
Matches at night.
June 11, right? Like the World Cup.
Yeah. June 11th World Cup, June 12th.
Madrid should like lose it.
They already lost. Over.
They should lose.
Madrid, Barcelona over. Guess what? Madrid win this year without any trophies. At least this year.
I hate them, but that nigga. Ninja turtle too. I take his head and I play football.
I'll tell you something.
What?
Only because of Mbappe, bro. Yo, get on, yeah. Yeah, I'll pay for it. How the viewers want? It's 80, bro. One, two.
Come friend, where are you going back?
Hey, we're sitting back.
There's no sunlight in the house. 8, right? 8 people. 8 orders. Although there's going to be more inertia back there.
8 people.
Yeah, 8 people. 8. To be honest, it's a little more favorites. Hey, you are right. You should have sit here.
Bro, something.
If you go there, no, you'll get. He's waiting for people to come, or he's a conductor waiting for the train, right? Either one.
Guys, this is Wonderla, guys. Big.
Wow, so beautiful. I never expected it to be
For-
this big.
For real?
I mean, to be honest, I would have more fun here than in Mandala.
Oh, hell no, man.
Bro, let's be honest. We would have more fun here than in Mandala.
So we love this shit, bro.
Avatar, bro.
That's so we love this shit.
So I have a question. If there are animals who do... Bro, if these Avatar... I mean, me. Bro, you have to watch Kasak, bro.
What?
Trust. He's just playing WWE, bro. Trust.
If you 360 degrees outside, then
10 kilometers, bro, literally, we need to be here.
my dad's office.
10 kilometers. I can't wait, bro. Bro, should I remove this shit or should I wear it? Say, bro.
Wear it, wear it.
Graduated from
The ring.
Wear it.
Nah.
Yeah, wear it, bro.
He got job.
Jobless.
You're talking
Say it, bro. Say it, bro.
beyond. We got one pen. Change this into that. Then we'll go.
Bro, I'm spine up on Aparajit,
Then
bro.
again while going there, then it's not up.
See this shit. See this, bro. Bro, something is doing, bro.
Yo, it looks like Aparajit is golden, bro. But this video shot. Oh my god. Appu.
Hell no. I'm not gonna show this shit. You know what, bro? Bro.
What?
Are you happy or not?
For what?
How much
You
ever
read
it
it?
charges?
I read 75, I'm happy. My
I'm-
charging went to 20.
Bounce.
Pooji, we'll buy 2 lockers, we'll share. See, they 4 will share, we 4 will share. It's like this anime.
Nice words you're choosing, bro.
Village, bro.
Here we.
That's the one. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Oh, damn.
Where is
Oh,
it?
damn.
I'm in there. What was it? Lance. Oh, see. Look at that. We have to go there. We have to go. We have
No,
to go
yeah,
there.
yeah, okay.
Hey, last bro, before we leave, we have to go.
Yes, sir.
They'll open it at 4:30. Okay. Yeah. It's like 100 feet. Yeah.
Oh, it'll be peak, bro.
Bro,
we can
I went on it in the night.
we can take phone right.
That I tried to obviously. They were like, it's about to rain. It was like so windy and it was about to rain. It was like drizzling. This was like, and we were the next in. Oh shit, unlucky bro.
It's gonna be peak, bro.
That shit's peak, no gun. Bro, we stayed here one day, okay? Next day we left.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, pack first.
I have this much.
Go, pack your bag. Once we leave, no. Pack your bag.
Come down.
Probably older than me.
Damn, bro. Looks so good, bro.
Look hot.
Yeah, I saw.
Let's push it. Rahan. Let's push it at Rahan.
Bro, what is this, bro?
Rupees 350 received on Sunday.
Check it your phone.
How much is it?
How much is it? How much is it? City boy?
350.
For what?
Hell no. I'll not spend for that shit.
That's what.
I'm submitting my phone. I am now. You guys are buying or what?
He doesn't even know how to swim properly.
You're
I
buying?
can. Kinda. It's been a while.
Semi-solid.
You can't record it then.
Semi-solid snake.
There, man. Again, people will come. I'm not a photo person.
Bruh. I'm your servant or what?
Please.
Hello.
My hands are full. Pull this one.
You need to buy this shit, bro.
Puchi. How do I open it? New technology. Camera should be here. Upside down. Camera should be. Bye, bro. And while going in water, that time will half-eyed. The fact that they call the only black, they call the second black. Okay.
What do they call the second black?
To take a photo.
Okay, why? So how does that matter?
Black guys normally take. Oh, bro. What?
What the hell, man?
Besides, this doesn't seem too long. We actually already took a few steps forward. Watch us wait like 10 minutes.
I want that, bro. I want.
You can go to dorms or you can go to like a hotel. How is it not even 1 grand, bro?
Like this.
Bro, touch your head.
Okay, bro.
Touch your head, bro.
Leave him to Kerala, bro. Such a loafer she is.
Huh? Who?
A bitch, bro.
Who? When was going to Kerala?
No.
Then
Oh, he doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
what happened?
Should I tell him?
Yeah. Go for it.
He's feeling apparently. He's crying.
I didn't even get to see her, bro. One day she came.
Okay, and
What is
we got bigger depressions to try.
See, bro, 10th marks alla bit bedi. 12th focus ಮಾಡಿ.
Super loud.
Don't let the fun end today.
We got bigger depressions to give attention to.
What is it?
What?
What's a bigger depression?
Mine, I guess.
What is your
I'm
depression?
not telling you. Fuck you.
Exactly.
Why?
There is nothing.
No, there's a lot.
What?
I think Gautam can confirm. Don't tell anything. Just tell him. I need your.
Yeah, tell him, bro.
No, just verification, bro. Two-step what do you call?
Bro, send me also, bro.
Two-step security.
It's there, bro.
What is that?
I'm not telling you, bro. Bro, I don't know the type of shit you do, bro.
What do you mean by it's that?
So the fuck up.
I mean, I think she spoke for you. Can you What has she seen, bro? I don't know, man.
Damn, bro. What the fuck are you on about?
Wait. What do you mean? Is that Subhashri, ma'am, bro? Yeah, bro. Go. You're thinking about Hollywood.
Hey, form a single line, bro.
Shut up, bro. उस लोड़ा को
Stand in the sunlight.
Bro, if we get fast track right now.
Dear girls, your attention please. To skip the waiting time and enjoy our thrilling rides, upgrade your tickets to first ride. Also, don't miss an unlimited
Bro, what? We wanted to check how long it would take my mom in the normal line versus us in fast track. How long it would take? We went in 5 minutes, okay? Okay. My mom took 1.5 hours. Why did you? When I told we are gonna shoot, bro, come on. That's what I have, bro. Go in. Leave it running, bro.
It's just have fun.
It's not like we're going to watch.
We don't need pictures and anything. We don't need any of that. Just have fun.
Hello. We reached inside.
Roka, please.
Bro, this thing is crazy, bro. You can use touchscreen on this. Good. I'm not spending 300 for this shit, bro.
What?
That is for one day, bro. No, get it. They give maps. They give maps, okay. Give me a moment.
What map, boss? What locker you got? Number
517.
5120.
Keep it in the bag.
5120 51. Yeah.
Go put off first.
Keep it in your mouth.
Oh, hell no. I want to do the roller coaster, bro. I'm going to do the roller coaster like 344 times. It'll be cool, bro. That should peak. I mean, bro. All I'm here for is the roller coaster, bro.
Taking a photo.
What, bro?
You look like a chud, bro.
What is bro? You look like a fucking boy.
He's the friend. I don't know.
Hey, mother chutney. Bro, fuck off, bro.
That's what you're going to do to the others, bro.
I'm not like you, man.
Father of K-pop, bro.
Bro, you are running, bro, not my fault.
Because you're black, man. So you're the game.
Yeah, bro, we knew all.
Anyways, I'm saying that eventually Capital will come defend his home.
Animatronic.
Bro, there's an actual goose is there. That's not an animatronic, that's a real.
That's an actual goose. Bruh.
Don't bite you. It's not an animatronic, bro. Very friendly it is. Doesn't have a spin box system either.
Okay.
Flash tower? What is flash tower, bro?
Run, bro, I'll follow you in 15.
Bro, this feels like a beach. Hey, run your life.
Chill out, bro, chill out.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to go up there.
No, I said I was not afraid of heights. So that was not.
I am not going up that. Oh, holy shit, bro. Okay, I'm going.
What you paid for it?
I don't want to do it either, but I'm going to do it.
Avira, shut up.
Bro.
Come. Once you get in, you get in, man.
Bro, I don't want to do this, but I'm going to do it. Give this to him.
Amma, you give your phone too. Wait, wait.
இரு நானும் கொடுக்குறேன்.
கேப்ல போட்டு குடுறீ. கேப்ல.
இதெல்லாம் வச்சிடு.
Guys, they stuck there, guys. This is actually peak moment, bro. I love this shit. They deserve this shit, bro. They deserve this shit. It's actually peak, man. It's actually great, man. People are stuck there. Let's go, man. This is the peak thing, bro.
First time.
Hey, of course it's the girl crying, bro. Lol.
Mostly they just
Lol.
talk like this during lunch break.
I predicted this.
Hey, water is this way.
We'll go water park, right?
Yeah, then this way.
It's actually cool, guys. I'm happy for them. I should not say this, but yeah.
दूसरा में जाएंगे वो.
Lol.
Complimentary water bottle, bro.
Peak shit ever, guys. They're stuck, guys. I'm happy for them. And yeah. Bro, I wanted to go there, bro. Come on. It's not fair.
Hey, we'll go up there.
Go, man. Please, come on. We wasted 1 hour, bro. 1 hour for this shit.
Like afterwards.
Oh, 1 hour we wasted for this.
Leave it down. We can't do nothing.
I don't care. I want to go in that shit. Still, people are stuck there. They wonder, lol.
I Heart Wonderla water park is insane.
This is the peak thing in Wonderla, bro. I want to troll them, bro. Bro, how do you feel about this situation? Come on. How do you feel about this situation?
I wish it was me.
Gautam, how do you feel about this situation? Come on.
Very, very happy.
Yeah. Bro, Abdul, how do you feel about this situation? Come on.
1 hour wasted for nothing, bro.
Come on, bro. It's a very happy moment, bro.
How about those people? Come on.
Because you have no balls, son.
Because of Gautam, bro. I'm blaming Gautam. We were going to go on the show. I was going to have the time of my life. But
Damn.
because of him, bro.
Very bad, Gautam.
I am simply the prophet, not the cause, bro.
I'm so sad, bro. Come on. Go to this one, bro. Which?
This one is 60. They're going. We'll watch. Yo, guys. See, bro, Abhi man.
What?
They'll sit in. They'll go up. They'll go through that tunnel. They'll come down. Full splash, bro.
Oh, next I will go.
No, he wanted to see water.
I was asking.
Monkey behavior. See that? Log ready.
Oh, they're shocked.
Coughing on me, nigga.
Hey,
You paid for it.
Who coughed now? Me.
Hey, what, man? Why you look at me?
Yeah, lunch.
Saanega, bro. But damn, why water is falling from the sky?
I invite you.
Nice shot.
I just got rid of the food.
This one.
Here, right?
Restaurant is this.
Here.
We go first. I'll go to locker. What about?
Oh shit. Come here, go.
We'll get water here, no.
Fuji!
Fuji.
We'll get water here.
Suki, come on. Unless you guys.
That's it, the benches are dirty. You have to print our coupons, bro.
Just shut and go get one table.
Where we can sit, bro?
The Django. You want the Django? Yeah. Nah, I didn't have last time. Quality of almost all area. I have probably wasted my life.
We came before here.
Yeah. The waste buffet.
You have to take coupon.
Here it's self-service. See. Here.
No, we have to take coupon here, then we have to go. See the end.
See. Fuji went. Yo, Avinash, call Fuji.
Listen, wherever we get
We go and eat there. We'll link up together after.
Listen, you can go, get your food and come here again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
Bro, I booked my... Sure, go scan your QR code.
Small design.
So did you get it? And so we are like I tried to sleep, but it's fine.
Imagine the floor is on. I don't know.
Yeah, anyways, as I was saying, it's too tired to like keep moving. I don't know.
Roller coaster I couldn't
So I was asking to sleep multiple times.
Here that tilted me. Yeah.
Who is this? I can't see anyone.
Yo.
Second also it took me like a few boys.
Remember, put it out in the bus.
Remember, can you like
Bro, I want to buy a juice, but I'm thirsty as well.
We'll buy it when we're going down. Oh, that's beautiful.
We kept it there. We kept it there. This guy. Look at the street dog.
I saw that building.
13 specific. 9 or 10.
You're going there, right? No. Come on. Why not? These kids are angry at us for swimming. Kids now. Wait, you're telling me that whole thing is Yeah, we went till one line is holding that thing up. Did I fall, bro? I don't care. I want to go.
Want to go look for shit? Go fast. Go fast.
I should go.
Go if you want.
Next time we should go. Oh, next time means like in my another life, I'll say. Study hard there, you can come. College life, you come up.
No, the chocolate chip. Chocolate. They didn't have tender chips.
But you don't want it. You take it back. No, there are water slides, etc. What? No, I'm gonna slip you. I'm Oh shit! Oh fuck! Then next. The water keeps getting inside my nose, bro. Yeah, exactly. I closed my nose. No, you put it. Bro, that report just almost killed you, bro. Go to the next one. I will go to. That yellow one looks big. Hey, up. I slide up. Yellow slide. Yes. Are you sure? No, it's here. Nice. Chiga. We'll go big ones. I don't know where they are. I lost them. Yo, they're doing that shit again. Come on. Let's watch. You want to watch? While we wait for them. Where are they? I don't see a single one of them, bro. Huh? Yo, wait. I have a doubt that Aprajit might be eating. Where's Abhinash? We're looking for him. Did you find him? No. Prahan! Pooja! Yeah. Abhinash is missing. Am I right? I called. He's not. That means he doesn't have phone. Phone is not with him. Fuck that. Hey, we didn't find him. What? We don't know where he is. We didn't see him. Come. Why aren't we finding him? He went to the church. Might be good.
Where is Abhinash? I'm also homie.
I don't know. Hey, he told. Come, are you coming or not? Yeah.
Yeah,